This cricket cap is really a cool cap. You just require half a sheet of newspaper. First fold this into half and then fold it into a quarter. Open this and on the top fold a roof. Then take the tip of the roof and fold it to the midpoint of the base. Open the whole newspaper and then take the long edges and fold them 4 centimeters insides. First one long edge and then the other one. Then rotate the paper and fold this into half so that the folds are exposed. Now fold a roof on the top. This is just for the creases. Open the roof and take the slants and tuck them inside to make a real half roof. Do the same thing on the other half. Now you will have a double house, a house on the front and a house at the back. Take the 2 short edges and bring them to the midline to shut both the doors. Take the bottom edge and fold this first in once and then double it up. And then take this flap and tuck this flap in the triangular pockets. This will make the back side of the cap. Now upturn the paper. Bring both the corners to the middle to get a diamond. Then fold the middle point to the center, the left and the right to the center. Take a bit of tape and secure all these in place. Now the cricket cap is almost ready. You can slowly open it, give it shape, and then wear this very cool cricket cap. It just takes half a newspaper to make this amazing cap.